viewers, welcome to Ting Tong Tech. Um, Today we are going to see about WhatsApp install, uninstall, and reinstall the WhatsApp. First of all, we have to have an idea about WhatsApp. What's an WhatsApp? In previous days, we would be using as a normal SMS to chat with our contacts, but this is an advanced method of SMS. Here you can text messages, images, video, audio, and even make calls, which you'll be using only internet connection. Normal charges will not be applicable for this, and this has been provided in the modern devices and OS supporting Android, Windows, Mac, iPhone, and a web app. This has been taken as the alternative for the SMS. Here you can make group chats, and here you have the facility to even notice whether the recipient has already read the message or not. And here you can chat with either a single person or the multiple person, share with your groups, and you can also share your photos, audio files, videos, and even your current location using the Google Map app for this. And you can also show your emotions using the smileys and emoticons. There are also many other messengers which are far better from this, but as this reach is better, we have been using this WhatsApp. It has been used by many millions of people around the world. So first we'll start with how to install WhatsApp. Initially you have to have the Play Store in your mobile phone. There, if you type for WhatsApp, the first thing will be the WhatsApp Messenger. It's already a 1 billion downloads. Here if you click, it will be installing. Now the WhatsApp gets installed. When you click on open, it will ask for agree and continue. If you want to need to read the privacy policy and terms of service and all, you can go through it and give continue. It's like it will ask to access your photos, medias, and files. When you give access only, it will be able to pick up your gallery, and you'll be able to send all your medias to other people. So give allow. If you give access to your contacts only, then it will be able to access your nearby friends and contacted friends. So allow. Initially you need to specify a country and the phone number. And give next. It will be just a verification to what to do on the next. Now the it will send you one message verification code, and you have to type that 6-digit verification code here to gain that access. you can either use that call me function or the resend digit code in the previous page. And the first page will be you have to set that profile info. You can either skip that or give some dummy names, and you can give your profile picture. This picture will be used by your contacts to find you who you are. And this dummy name, initially you can give anything, or yeah, after that if you want to change that name to something else, you can overwrite it in settings profile. When you give next, that's all. Everything is completed and it will be initialized and it will open a page. That's all. The WhatsApp account has been opened for that particular number. That number cannot be opened twice on other accounts. Each profile accounts should need a unique number. So if you try to create another WhatsApp messenger in another phone using the same number, it will block this and it will open that account, so you will not be able to access this account. And now the WhatsApp screen, on screen you will be able to see that WhatsApp icon. And this page will be you can share your statuses, and second thing will be chats. Whatever the chats you access, it will be coming here, and this will be status calls. Now we'll see how to update the WhatsApp account. Updating the WhatsApp account is pretty easier method. Go to Play Store and again search for that WhatsApp. As it is already installed, you'll get one uninstall button, and if it is an older version, you'll get an update button in the place of open. So when you click on that update, it will update this version. As I have the latest version, I'll not be able to show you that on screen. Now we will see how to uninstall the WhatsApp. Uninstalling the WhatsApp is also the same method, same page, same place, and using this uninstall button you can uninstall that. If you face any problems in accessing the WhatsApp or getting that contacts or refresh or something, and as the file has been corrupted or something, you need to reinstall it. While reinstalling, you can see that WhatsApp folder in the file manager, and from there you can clear those files and you can try, or else you have to uninstall using this Play Store, and you have to reinstall with this WhatsApp Messenger updated version. For any queries, you can give your comments, and if you would like me to do some other videos on some other questions or something, please feel free to ask me anything. Okay, thanks for watching. See you back soon.